In this video, we're going to be looking at Venn diagrams with three sets. Unions, intersections, and complements will be included. Okay, so we have this Venn diagram that's given to us. Okay, and they're asking us to figure out this. So this is a complement, which means the opposite of A. This is intersect, which means has to show up in both. Okay, and this is C union B, which is all the things that are contained in C and B. Okay, so first let's write down what is a complement. We can go down here and we can see what's in A, F, G, P, Q. A complement will be everything except for those things. Okay, everything except for F, G, P, Q. Okay, so that includes H, X, Y, Z, and an R. Okay, so that's everything not in A. So F, G, P, and Q are not included. Now let's figure out what C union B is. That's everything that's in C or in B. Okay, so this won't be included, and this won't be included. Everything else is included because it's in C or B. Okay, and this is union, so if it happens once, you write it down. Okay, so this is G, P, Q, H, X, Y, Z. Okay, G, P, H, Q, X, Y, Z. All right, there we go. So now that we have a complement, which is everything not in A, and we have the union of C and B, which is everything that shows up in C or B or both, okay? Now they're asking us to find the intersection of these two things. Now, intersection, if we write it down, it needs to be in both, okay? So let's see what shows up in both. Let's look at this top one. Does H show up down here? Yes, it does. Let's circle H. Does X show up down here? Yes, it does. Let's circle that. Does Y? Yep. Does Z? Yes, sir. And R? No. There's no R here, so we're not going to include that. So the intersection of our answers are the stuff that showed up twice. Let's circle those just to make sure those are the four things. H, X, Y, Z. So our answer is H, X, Y, Z. There you go. Let's take a look at the next problem. So this time we're given numbers inside of here. Okay, and we're asked to find A, it's everything that's in A, or intersect with B union C complement. Okay, so first let's figure out what B union C is. Okay, that's everything that's in B or C, but nothing that's not in either one of those. Okay, so it's easier sometimes to figure out what's not in those. So this 1 is not in B or C, and this 4 is not in B or C. Is everything else in either B or C? Yes. Okay, so let's write all those things down. 2, 3, no 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now that we found B union C, the complement of that, the opposite of that, is the opposite of this. So none of these numbers can be included here. Only the ones that are missing from here can we write down. Okay, and the two numbers that were missing was the 1, because that wasn't here, and the 4, because that wasn't in here. So 1 and 4. Okay, so we have the complement of B union C is 1 and 4. And now we want to intersect that with A. I can write down A really fast here. A is all the stuff that's in A. That would be 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. All the stuff in A. Okay, now that we have that, we're looking for the intersection between these two things, meaning it has to show up in both for us to write it down. It's only one thing that happens. That's the 1 right there. So our answer here is just one element in that set, and it is 1.